you again sometime.
Okay, thank you.
Cheers, Khalid.
Okay, cheers.
Okay, we have left Bomani and we are now heading up next to the tracks inside Wangi National Park to Makwa platform where we're going to be setting up camp for 2 nights. We've arrived at Makwa platform, which is absolutely spectacular. There's a waterhole right in front with some nice big crocodiles. Nice platform for us to sit and watch the wildlife, and rather a toilet that leaves quite a lot to be desired. It's not very good. There doesn't seem to be water at the moment, but we've got some water, so we can always flush it by hand. So I'm just going to unhitch the trailer so we can head out for a drive later on. We're going to unhitch the trailer, have a cup of coffee, have some lunch, and then head out. And up we go. Safety first. Does that look level to you, Andy?
That looks pretty good.
Cool. So let's have a look at this platform. I couldn't find much information online or on Zimpark's website about this place, but so I'm pleasantly surprised. A little bit of baboon poop there, but otherwise, basically, look at our view. And during the day, this is a public viewpoint, so anybody can come up the platform, but at night it's only for us, and we're going to camp right there. How's that coffee coming, Andy? Rock and roll, dude. So we've set up at Makwa platform. It's not much here in terms of facilities. The toilets aren't functioning. There's no water. So we've, and it's quite expensive actually. It's $70 per person per night. So hopefully they'll sort out the water problem tomorrow, because and there are no showers or anything. It's just 2 toilets, and neither of them are functioning. But anyhow, we've set up, we've put the car and the trailer in an L shape, because Andy and I, since that incident in Mabua Sehube with the lion, are a little bit paranoid about lions and things coming into our camp. So we're being very cautious. We're shining the light quite frequently. We decided not to drive. We just actually went down to Makwapan and filmed the sunset from there. It was absolutely beautiful. The fork-tailed drongos were diving for insects and it was backlit by the sunset, and got hopefully some very nice slow motion and a time lapse of the pan as the sun set. And then then the moon rose on the opposite side. I think it's full moon tonight. So the moon came up and we got some shots of that as well. And then the elephants came in. It was really quite beautiful. We've set up the trailer. We've put our tents on top of it. We've set up the tent. We're busy heating up a ready meal with the gas stove here. And yeah, then we're going to go to bed and get up very early tomorrow morning. Head out, see what we can find.